Week 8, day 15. This is Wednesday, March 4th. 7 weeks left. We've got spring break, and then we finish up. Linux OS 2. They took the skills base today. It challenged them, made them think a little bit. Yeah, we got spring break coming up. So, just a few comments. So, leading into the last 7 weeks, key things, we are going to continue to work on scripts and Linux at the command line interface, and we need to look at backup, automating backup and prepping that. And to help us do that, we're going to start looking at users. We're going to add users to our machines and then allowing those users access to different things. Then as we add users, we want to include that in our backup, and we'll start working at moving information between systems, like the backup to some servers. And then we'll apply some services, some servers. We want to allow new Apache, which will allow hypertext transfer protocol, will allow communicating to a website. Hypertext markup language. And then we'll install MySQL. And then we'll allow our users to use both of those. And then from there, then we're going to move into some cloud services to finish up the year. And that's it.